Hey guys, welcome to Technically Uncovered, and today we're uncovering the Spigen clear case for the iPhone 11 Pro. So in past years, I've just shown the cases by themselves. I've been doing Spigen cases pretty much on launch day since iPhone 7, if I'm not mistaken. This time it was kind of told to me that maybe I should, I don't know, maybe show the case on the phone in a video when I do a case review. So we'll go ahead and do that. This time, this is something that I think is different. It comes with a lens cleaning wipe in case you need to clean your screen or clean the back of your phone off of fingerprints or dust or whatever. So when it gets in here, it looks real nice. This is a crystal clear case, and I did that intentionally in hopes of being able to see my precious new iPhone 11 Pro through the back and see its glorious color. If you're interested in seeing my unboxing and overview of the iPhone 11 Pro, go ahead and check out that video in the right upper hand corner or down in the link in the description below. But for now, I can say this right off the bat, the case is a very standard case. It's clear, it looks clean, it puts a little bit of Spigen information here on the side, which isn't great. I'd like it to just be a clear case, but obviously they want to name their brand, so there's nothing we can kind of complain too much about that. It says it has air cushion technology, so in addition to the extra strength that the new phone has, it should prevent it from breaking when it hits the ground as easily as it could. Obviously, if you didn't have a case at all, that's the point of the case. Another thing that they do is they actually, around the camera here, they give it a extra bump out so that the camera doesn't have that bump scraping up against, say, the countertop when you lay it down. Instead, the phone will lay flat on the countertop and prevent it from getting scuffed up. So in simple terms, this case feels like it's pretty sturdy. It feels like it's not going to just easily fall off. It's not going to get loose. It's not going to be the strongest protection you can get for your phone. There's no doubt about that. If you really want a ton of extra protection, you're going to be looking for an OtterBox or maybe a light-proof case, or the I believe it's called the Tough Armor series from Spigen is even more protection than this. For me, I don't often drop my phone. It happens occasionally. I have yet to break a phone. So this case seems like a good fit for me. It's something to prevent it from getting scratched up, scuffed up, maybe handle a couple small drops or, but in terms of me, this is great for me. If you're somebody who drops your phone a lot, I'm not sure that this case is going to be great for you. If you're somebody who really wants to be able to see your phone but just offer some protection to it so you don't go to the Apple store getting it fixed up every week, this case is going to be good for you. So if you want the link, there's Spigen link down in the description below. There's also going to be options available for the 11 Pro Max. That's the overview of the Spigen crystal clear liquid crystal case for the iPhone 11 Pro.